Hello everybody, welcome. On this video today we're going to make a macro that's going to run column A all the way from cell 1 till it finds an empty cell, and we are gonna add everything that says company A. So let me just run something here very quickly. I'm gonna change it Empresa for company and replace all. This is it. All right, so we have a list of companies and I want to add everything that is company A. So if it is company A, I want to add it. If it's not, I don't want to add it. So if it's A, I want to add it. So let me just run this example here with you. I'm going to insert a new module and I'm going to start a macro, so the companies. And now I'm going to do the following. I'm going to start with the count equals to 1, because I'm going to start here in line 1. And I'm going to do the following repetition structure. I'm going to do until cells count, which will be the row, and column is going to be 1. So this is going to run all the cells in column A. Do until the cell in column A is equal to nothing. So this is going to be running all the way column A till it finds an empty cell, that is this one here. Okay, I can also make it like this. I can say till do until is empty, cells count 1. Okay, and every time you run this loop, I'm gonna make count is equal to itself plus 1. So this is going to run the repetition structure and it's gonna add a row each time it runs. And then I'm gonna do the following check. I'm gonna say if cells, the cells that I'm looking at, count column 1 is equal to, let me go back over here, company A. So I'm going to write them, and I'm going to finish this with an end if statement. So if the cell that I'm looking at is equal to company A, it means that I want this value. So I'm going to grab this value. But first, I'm going to, before I grab the value, I'm going to just paint this cell of yellow. So let me open my Excel a little bit. And then we're recording this following macro. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna click on record macro, okay. I'm gonna click in a cell and I'm gonna paint this cell yellow. All right, so I'm gonna go back to my developers tab and I'm gonna press stop. Okay, so let me go back to my modules here. Let me just click here to open my modules, module 2, and here is the code to paint my cell yellow. So I need to first select a cell and then use this code here to paint a cell yellow. So let me grab this, Ctrl C. Let me go back to my module 1 and I'm going to do the following. If you find a cell that is equal to company 1, then select it. Select this cell. And now you're gonna paint it yellow. So this code here is going to paint it yellow. Let me just indent this so you can see clearly what's going on. So this whole block here is going to paint it yellow. So first I'll select the cell right here, and then I use this whole block to paint the cell yellow. So every time it finds a company A, it's gonna paint it yellow. And then I'm going to say value is equal itself. So this value is going to start blank. It's going to start with nothing, but then it's going to be adding stuff. And I'm going to grab the cell on the row that my count is at, but column 2. So this is going to be, and the first one is going to paint this yellow, and I'm going to say nothing is equal is plus nothing plus 2. So let me just say value A, because I'm afraid this is a reserved variable. Value A, value underscore A and value underscore A. So this means values of the company A. And then it's going to B, C, D, another A. It's going to paint this yellow, and then it's going to go 2 plus 8 is going to be equal to 10. And then it's going all the way down to find another A. There's no other A, so only 2 A's. Let me make another way here. Let me say this one's going to be A. So I got A here, which is 4, then 8, and then 2. So this is going to be 14, the total value. And after it runs all the column A till it finds an empty cell, I'm going to state the following. Message box, the value of company A is space, and I'm going to gather the value or variable that I have. So if I run this, let me run this for you. Let me just take the zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole table. So this is what we have, a column table, table that has the company names and the values, and I want to add all the company A's. So let me just play this here, and there you go. The value of company A is 14. And I paint these cells yellow. So every time I found a company A, I paint it yellow, okay? And I have this code here that was incrementing the value of A. It started with nothing plus the first value, which was 2, and then it was 2 plus 8, 10, and then it was 10 plus 4 right here. And I got 14. When I loop through and then when I ended my loop, I get out of the loop here and I say the value of company A, the total value is value A. This is it. This is my example. So I'm going to finish this and I'll be back next time with more examples for you. Bye bye.